YouTube Prop Making 101. Glad to see you. Hope that you've learned a little bit, and so our objective here is to welcome you into one of our mini shops and to show you one of our mini tools so that you will have a better hand on the shop when you become prop maker. Today we figured we'd focus on safety with tools, and we would engage a few tools in the proper handling of these tools. As you can see, the tools usually are pneumatic. Most of them have a tip. These tips vary in size and in dimensions and shape. So be careful for the one and be understanding as to which one you're using on your job site. We have battery-driven tools. This is a screw gun. We have bigger pneumatic tools. Same end, different machine. And then we have bigger battery-driven tools. Same battery, bigger tool. Different function, bigger tool. And of course, I got the happy hammer. So, once again, battery-driven tools, pneumatic tools. These are the things that you need to look for as you're making your way through the shop. So what we'll do is we will take you through plugging in of the hose and making your tool ready to use. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take you through the application of putting the air together, putting it with an air compressor so that you can have the tools that will be necessary for your prop making problems. So we'll take this guy, we'll plug him in. I always have the outlets, switches, gauges, and gauge adjustments. All air compressors will have that. As you can see here, here's another air compressor with a bit more miles on it. The same thing, an outlet, gauges, and a switch, along with a tank and a motor. So that's just the basics there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead. Okay. As you can see, the compressor's pumped up now. So what will happen is that you have tank pressure and you have regulated pressure. This is the amount of pressure that is in your tank. This is the amount of pressure coming from your tank into your gun or your tool. So what you will always want to do is be sure to adjust that accordingly, because for some applications you don't need as much air. So when you're applying one to the other, it's a simple pullback. As you can see, each sleeve has a pullback, and you insert. If you miss, that's what will happen. Okay? So now you've got air. So now we'll go ahead and plug these guys in. This is the other end. It's a action. All right. So here we are. We've got all of our tools. We've got a pen gun. We've got a finish gun. We've got a framing gun. All have our pneumatic weapons. I call them weapons. But all having the tips that are necessary for this to receive this. So in applying, always give it a good firm grip. Pull back the sleeve and insert. That's a good connection. It lets you know your tool is ready to go. Oftentimes what will happen is you'll think that you have it on, but it's not really on, and that's what you'll face. So pull the sleeve back, insert it, release the sleeve, and that's a way to make sure that it's locked in there. So for all you newbies, make sure that whenever you're taking this off, you always keep two hands on it, because as you notice, I've got my hand here, I've got my hand here. What will happen is, oftentimes new people will come up to release a tool, and they'll do this. And that A, that's not too good for the tool. And B, if you're not holding this and you just have to let that go, it swings this around because this is loaded with compressed air. So keep that in mind as you go along